A state have to secure the safety of its citizen, whether at the border or uh, anywhere within its boundary or territory. So what happened in Lapangap, this incident has brought fears in the mind of villagers. Not only fear, because fear is something external, but fear when it is happen on the ground, the reality of fear is there. Because what the Karbi Anglong administration, what the Assam government did, uh, which since the talk have been going on for the last 3 4 years, we should wait for that. They unilaterally, they should not do it. So what happened? It is condemnable. They should have wait for the talk to progress, and more importantly, a Lapangap area is always a peaceful area, and all of a sudden, in the last 2 3 years, so this thing happened. So the government should immediately seize the matter, and I'm very happy that the government have seized the matter to see that there's safety and security. Not only safety, it's it also, the government should ensure that the farmer should not lose this season, because if the Assam government or its people prevent the people to cultivate their land, so it will be a big loss to their farmers' livelihood also. So, as a government, I'm very happy with the step taken by the government, but we have to do more so that this type of incidents should not happen. So since we have, as I said before, since we are the talk with the Assam government and the Meghalaya government have going on for the last 3 years, let's hope that it should expedite, and this issue should be solved at the earliest for the best interest of the people living in the border areas. So, see, the MDA government is the first government which respond to the need of the people, where so many police outposts have been sanctioned all across the state of Meghalaya and Assam, bordering the state of Assam and Meghalaya. Having said that, the police, the force, they are there to help the people when it is needed. But for the safety of our people, everyday safety of our people, the daily life of the people, we need the cordial atmosphere that the resident of both the village, of the both the side of the border should understand that dispute does not, will not give them any benefit. It only gives, there is a collateral damage to both of this party. So let the better sense prevail. The government should do on its part, and the resident of the border area also should come to terms that in any dispute, it's only the collateral damage, not only damage to anyone or part of the state.